Keith, this turned out to be a pretty nice day.
Yeah, it turned out we had a few clouds early this morning. We've gotten rid of those. Most of us are now sunny. The satellite showing you that the clouds were just along the coastline through the first half of this morning. So kind of a different day along the coast, but now everybody is equalized into a nice spot. 84 in Augusta, 82 in Lewiston, 82 in Portland. Average high down to 76 this time of the year. As we head towards September, obviously. Hour by hour forecast looking good through the rest of this afternoon and into this evening. Temperatures drop into the 60s, couple of 50s early tomorrow morning. I think we start with sun tomorrow morning, but the clouds come in pretty quickly over southern and western Maine. So this is noon, and you can see the clouds are in even into the mid-coast, but still sunny at Bangor, points northward. Eventually, though, everybody gets into the clouds probably before sunset, and then here comes some rain from the southwest. That is associated with what's left of Ida. It's now technically a tropical depression, although there's not much left to it, right? The winds are inconsequential. It's now right over Tennessee. But what it does still have is a lot of rain here. And so we've actually got a big flash flood risk coming through West Virginia, into Pennsylvania, into the mid-Atlantic. So the question is, how much of that rain gets into Maine on Wednesday night, Thursday into Thursday evening? And so the models, believe it or not, still disagree a bit on this. The GFS is quicker and it's farther south with this storm, but it's kind of moved towards the European model, in my opinion, over the last 24 hours. And this is what I'm showing you as the European model, and I think it's probably going to end up being more correct in that the rain will reach Maine, especially along the coastline, through Thursday, middle of the day into the afternoon, and there'll be some torrential downpours in there most likely. And again, mostly along the coast, but a little bit inland as well. That continues through the afternoon. The storm gets hung up a little bit to our north, so a couple of showers are possible all the way through Friday afternoon over northern Maine and into down east parts of the state. So here's what we're looking at right now, 2 to 3 inches of rain. I just want to caution you that we can take 2 to 3 inches of rain in about 12 hours pretty easily along the coastline, but there will be amounts offshore that are 4 or 5 inches. And if those end up shifting, in the next computer model runs, then we could have a bigger problem as far as flooding goes. We'll keep an eye on that. It does look like we should stay south of that at the moment. Clearing out on Friday. Weekend looks decent. I'm not overly enthused, but it looks decent. It's in the low 70s, maybe mid 70s, if we play our cards right, so to speak, on Saturday and Sunday. Scattered showers on Monday and then partly cloudy on Tuesday. Indications are, guys, that we start off September just about average. Keep in mind, average high 75, 76 now.
Yeah.
So when you see those numbers, you can't be as easily offended by them. I mean, you can be, but this is about where we're at.
Yeah.
We'll try not to be easily offended. All right, thanks a lot, Keith.